Everyone wants to know if you're trying to get into ketosis, is keto or carnivore the better choice? The answer isn't as simple as you might think. Both can get you there, but how you do them and how much fat you eat makes all the difference. Ketosis isn't just about cutting carbs. It's about creating a metabolic environment where your liver has to produce ketones and has the raw materials to do it. That means two things: low insulin from carb restriction and enough fat available for your body to convert into ketones. Now, most people focus on the first part, lowering carbs, but forget about the second part. With enough fat, you might still burn body fat or for fuel, but your ketone levels stay low or fluctuate. So let's look at keto first. If you are doing a well-formulated ketogenic diet with about 70 to 80% of your calories from fat, that usually produces ketone levels in the 1 to 3 millimole per liter range, a sweet spot for cognitive clarity, fat loss, and metabolic healing. But because keto often includes small amounts of carbs from vegetables, nuts, or dairy, ketones may rise and fall throughout the day. Now on carnivore, it's virtually zero carb if you're not including dairy. So insulin levels often drop even lower and stay there. That means your body should be primed to make ketones. But here's the catch. Many people mostly eat lean protein and forget about the fat. When that happens, ketone production may stay low, even though you're technically in ketosis. On the flip side, if carnivore is done high fat with fatty cuts, egg yolks, marrow, or tallow, you can sometimes see higher and more stable ketone levels than on keto. That's why people with neurological conditions or advanced insulin resistance sometimes prefer a high-fat carnivore approach because the ketone supply is more consistent. So which is better? The truth is both work and both protect your brain, metabolism, and mitochondria. But if your goal is deeper or more stable ketosis, the key isn't which diet you choose, it's how much fat you eat and how consistently you keep your insulin low. Keto often produces reliable results, but a well-formulated high-fat carnivore diet can push you even further. If you found this to be helpful, check out my Mastering Ketosis playlist next. It's where we go beyond the basics and talk about how to build, sustain, and optimize ketosis for the long haul. That'll be coming out next week. And tell me in the comments, which one works better for you, keto or carnivore? I'll see you tomorrow in the next Daily Spoonful.